All right, so we're doing something a little bit different today, a little bit less in the water, stuff that's going to be a little more touristy. We're going to run down to Lahaina, down the road, and do just a little bit of shopping, and then we'll be off to our destinations. All right, to shopping. So we were in Lahaina, which is really nice, great for people watching, but it reminded us a lot of like some of the towns that you get to when you get off a cruise ship. It's all very touristy, lots of brands, lots of jewelry, diamond, stuff. So we were looking for something a little more authentic, so we have driven from the west end of Maui around the southern tip. And now we're actually going into kind of the central part of Maui on the west side of the city. We just drove through some areas that look like where the actual people on this island live, which felt a lot more like the Caribbean than, say, California or something like that. So we're trying to look for, somebody told me to drive around and look for banana bread and coconut candy. So we're going to look for banana bread and coconut candy. I don't know. We'll see what we find. So we're back from our drive. We weren't able to make it to the blowhole and the pools, but we did get some amazing views of some waterfalls and just driving through the backcountry. It was really just an absolutely gorgeous trip around the north side of the west part of Maui. So we're back a little early, and I just kept asking myself this question: can I launch the drone off of the balcony? So this is the balcony we're on, and I think we can do it. So we're gonna give it a try. All right, drone caught out of midair. And that's the end of the video. Hit subscribe, like, see you tomorrow.